That rain sound is what I woke up to. Dang, that's a lot of rain. Hello and welcome to Monday. So truth be told, my day really hasn't started yet. I got up, I ate breakfast, shortly after I filmed, the last clip, and then I went to sleep. It's like 11:30. I've been up maybe 30 minutes. I went to the bathroom, just kind of responding to text messages and all that stuff. So, but the rain has just been. The rain kind of woke me up a little bit last night, and it's still going off, and it's been a lot of rain going on, so crazy. Hey, miss. Hi, buddy. Hi, my Mel. You doing okay, me miss?